Hey guys, what's up? It's Pascale.
Mo.
Art of Adventure.
Back at you.
Welcome back to our channel.
Indeed.
Today, we're going to take you on one of the most unique paddles in the state of Florida.
It's a good one.
This is in Winter Park, Florida. Venetian Canals, y'all. There's nothing quite like it, but there's 3 big things you need to know before you go. Winter Park sits less than 10 miles outside of Orlando. It's home to Rollins College. And right in the shadows of campus, you'll find a little dock. Actually, a dinky dock. This free boat ramp is where you can park and launch for your Venetian paddle adventure. There are 6 main lakes in Winter Park, and they are all interconnected by a series of canals.
Guess what? Coming back out here.
You can connect with the first canal by paddling just east of Dinky Dock. Here we go. This canal runs north and connects Lake Virginia to Lake Osceola. The paddle is one of a kind. The canals are not very wide, so you're right there in the middle of lush vegetation and moss-draped oaks. As a paddler, you do need to stay on your toes. How's it going? You'll be sharing this adventure with tour boats. If you come across a boat, it's good etiquette to pull as far to the side as you can and let them pass. By the way, if you don't have your own kayak or stand-up paddle, the boat tour is another fairly inexpensive way to check out the canals. Mo and I did a boat tour the first time we were in town. At least for now, tickets are $20 for adults and $10 for kids. It's a very pretty ride, and the tour guides are great. You learn all about the historic mansions that dot the shoreline and all the celebrities who live there.
Look at the canals. It's pretty sick. Who knew?
If you're on your own kayak or sup, I do recommend making your way to the canal that connects Lake Osceola and Lake Maitland. This is one of the longer canals, and it gives you a nice mix of ferns and foliage, as well as historic homes. Fun fact, the canals were originally dug in the late 1800s. First, they were for small boat traffic, then eventually for tourism. Today, they are just wide enough to accommodate small pontoon boats, kayaks and paddleboards, jet skis, and smaller motorboats. The narrowest points are just 10 feet wide. Some of the broader sections as wide as 30 feet. You can keep following these canals north through Lake Nina and onto Lake Minnehaha. If you paddled from Dinky Dock all the way to Lake Minnehaha, you would cover about 4 miles one way. Is it pretty out here or what?
It's super beautiful. Is that right?
Super beautiful. Need to rent a kayak for this adventure? No worries. We dropped some helpful information about local rentals in the story description below. Don't miss this one, y'all. A taste of Venice, right here in Florida. So here's your 3 big things. Where to park, what you can ride through the canals, and here's number 3. Watch the wind.
Man, facts.
You got to go through some pretty big lakes to get to each canal, and if that wind's in your face, it can be tough, especially if it's on your return trip. So just keep that in mind and keep an eye on the weather. We hope you found this video helpful.
Come on now.
If you did, hit that like button.
Come on now.
Go ahead and subscribe. You're already there.
Already here.
We want our experiences to help make your next adventure epic.
That's why we out here.
That's what Art of Adventure is all about. All that's left for you to do.
Come on.
Tell her, babe.
Just go get it. What are we doing?
See you out there.